Hi friends, this is Atul and today I can show you how you can ping any website or your servers without using any third-party tool. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First you can open your notepad. Once you have opened the notepad, you can enter this text start web ping Google IP1 and ping google.com. Okay. So as per your requirement, you can enter the IP here, as well you can enter the web address here, or else whatever you are required you can enter here as a multiple sites, multiple IPs, like that. So here I have need to ping 3 or 4 sites, so I can put here 4 sites. So here I'm entered 3 websites, which is first one is the google.com, second one is the amazon.in, and third one is the flipkart.com, and fourth one is the ago.com. First one is the social site, second three last three is the telemarketing, yeah, online shopping sites. Okay, so I just enter it, and it's used for me to the online business purpose. So I have entered this site's address in the notepad. Okay, once I enter this address in the notepad, I save this file, save as file with like as a google dot bat file, and save type as a all file. Okay, once I enter the name and file save type, select as a all files. Okay, so after that I click on the save button. Once I click on the save button, here one bat file is created or generated automatically. So once I have double click on that file, see the 4 CMD box is opening, like that. So whatever you are required, you can enter your server IP as well as the your switch IP, whatever you are required you can enter here. And the basically here, see, this is the your here, as per your requirement you can put the name as well, whatever you are require, whatever your sequence require, you can IP1 or IP2 or IP3, or like that. If you use for the switching purpose, L1 L2 L3 switches purpose, you can here the enter the switch IP or the switch name, as well as the line number or the input output number, like that. Whatever you are required you can put here. So today's session, that's it. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.